Welcome to the world of mixology. You are watching Spice Trail. Today I will show you how to make a perfect Jack Daniel's watermelon punch like a pro. I hope you will like this amazing Jack Daniel's cocktail recipe. So let's go and jump in. Take a Collin glass of about 14 ounces or 400 milliliters. And fill it up with lots of fresh ice cubes. Okay, let's get into the mixology. Start with pouring 1.5 ounces or 45 milliliters of Jack Daniel's whiskey. After the whiskey, pour 2 ounces or 60 milliliters of fresh watermelon juice. After the juice, pour half an ounce or 15 milliliters of watermelon syrup to enhance the flavor. Next, pour 1 ounce or 30 milliliters of lime mix. And if you want to know how to make a perfect lime mix, please click on the I button on my left side. Lastly, pour 1 ounce or 30 milliliters of simple syrup to adjust the sourness of the cocktail. Now dry shake all the ingredients, and pour the mixture straight into the glass. This technique is known as the mix method in mixology terminology. And if you want to know more about this, please feel free to contact, I will be happy to hear from you. I hope you are enjoying this recipe. Perfect. Now take 3 lemon slices and place them the way I am doing. The cocktail is now almost ready. So let's garnish it with a slice of watermelon, lemon, and a mint sprig. You can check the description box for the detailed recipe. Please don't forget to share this recipe with your family and friends. The Jack Daniel's watermelon punch is now ready for you. Cheers! Have an amazing weekend. Thanks for watching Spice Trail. See you soon with another exciting recipe like this. Till then, keep watching, and drink responsibly.